How's it going, guys? Let's check out Jasmy. I don't think a lot has changed from yesterday, but let's look. So on the macro time frames, we're still in this falling wedge. I don't think that's going to change anytime soon, unless we break above 2 cents. We're still pretty much in this falling wedge. The next target to the upside is a 236 fib. As far as fibs go, that's at 2.5 cents. You also have resistance at 2 cents. So if you get above 2 cents, 2.5 would be the next target, which would be a fib line. And I also had a resistance there. Downside 1.7 is support. If you don't hold that, 1 penny is on the table. So with that being said, let's go look at how the RSI is looking. RSI is finally almost oversold on the daily. The 4-hour chart is actually now in an uptrend, so 4-hour is probably still a stay away because it could correct. Now, it definitely has more legs to the upside. It's going to keep going up for a little bit, but probably in the next 2 to 3 days, it's going to have a correction down. So the 4-hour, you can probably get the 4-hour a little bit cheaper. The 1-hour is still having a little more downside, not quite oversold, so the 1-hour has more room to fall as well as the 4-hour. And the 15-minute chart did get the bounce, but on a small time frame, I'm not expecting a major move in price action to the upside. So overall, I think that there's still a little more downside, and maybe 1.7 will be the bottom. But if that doesn't hold, 1 penny's on the table. So really nothing has changed. I just feel like I'm repeating myself over and over again. But something I don't usually look at is the MACD. So it does look like the MACD is about to have bullish divergence here on the 1-hour chart. Now, obviously, you could get a few more red candles, but if the next candle is a white candle and then you start getting green candles, that'd be bullish divergence because there'd be a higher low on the MACD, which is extremely bullish on the daily chart. If we go to the 4-hour chart and on the MACD, let's see what we see. Yeah, there was bullish divergence here, even on the 4-hour, higher low. So now next time you make a new low, you want to make sure you don't go below that 20 level. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, see what that's looking like. 1-hour chart does not have bullish divergence because you can see that's a lower low. So 1-hour chart actually probably had bearish divergence. Let's see the 15-minute chart. And technically, if it'll let me zoom in, that's a higher low. That's also bullish divergence. So 1-hour chart didn't look very good. The 15-minute chart, 4-hour, and daily chart looked good for Jasmy. So bullish divergence on those time frames. I would say overall, there's a chance 1.7 does hold if Bitcoin doesn't go much lower. But if Bitcoin puts in a new low from what we put in the other day, then Jasmy is definitely going below 1.7. So with that being said, that's all I got. Short term, it's still a stay away because you want to see it hold 1.7, and until it convincingly gets above 1.7, I would stay away. With that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next update.